Hey, how's it going? Have a prototype projectile here. Cardboard tube. This is actually cedar slats, 3/4 of an inch by 1/8 of an inch. I have a STP, a cement STP, just taped to the front of it for weight because what it's intended for are like beer cans, the big beer cans. So they fit in there. I guess that would work as an air cannon too, but that's not what we're going for. And you'll find out what's fixing to happen with this. But I want to do a test flight. It's 1 pound, 1 ounce. One of these cans, these size cans, I believe weighs 1 pound. Cans will fly well by themselves. You put them in the sling like that, and then they fly like that. You know, they're symmetrical. Liquids don't do well in with rotation because the liquid stops the rotation, so they don't have any stability. But if it had sand or dirt or whatever in there, it'll spin just fine. This, what, I needed a payload section with, if it has a payload in it, then it won't need this weighted front end. It will become its own weight. Anyways, I want to throw it. I want to see how it acts. All right. Let's see if I can tilt y'all back some. No, I have to turn my stand around. That's not really gonna give a good angle. Let me adjust my stand here. Something like that. Alright, this is like a cymbal stand I've been using for years. Oh, that's too much. Alright, I'll have to edit some of this out right there. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Alright, I have a sling tied on it, some masonry line, 2 strands, and a double loop. Let's see, how am I going to do this? I think I'll just hold it, and I'm going to drop it from the tail so it acts like it's dropping out of a whipper and then come around over the top. I think this is going to go great. Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Man, that flies great. No spin. Alright, that works. Now, will it work well at 200 miles an hour? I think so. That's next.